viewers, and today in Andrea's Trini Kitchen, Andrea is going to make some breakfast for herself. And I've decided to eat some oatmeal this morning, so I'm going to show you how to make a simple stovetop recipe with oatmeal. For this recipe, what I'm using is 2 cups of oatmeal. I have milk here. I have 1 3/4 cup of milk. You can use water too, the same equivalent. You can use 1 3/4 cup of water. And also a pinch of salt. So these are the basic ingredients that you need. The oatmeal, the milk, and a pinch of salt. Now this could be optional if you don't want salt. Some people don't like to use salt in the oatmeal. But I'm putting a pinch of salt, okay? And to top it off, you can put either bananas or strawberries. I have some strawberries. Or I've picked up some blueberries from the Aldi store, which are relatively cheap. So I'm going to have me a real good breakfast of oatmeal this morning. So here we go with the recipe. So to this pot, I'm going to put the heat on medium because you don't want it to cook too quickly. Medium, between low and medium. You can put it between low and medium. So you want to add the milk to the pot. And you want to add the oatmeal. Right? It don't take long to cook, like 5 minutes, so you're going to just keep stirring it. Leave it there for 5 minutes and let it just boil away. Okay, so I actually have this boiling for more than 5 minutes, as I've said previous, because I put it a little longer. If you want it to be soft and nice, you put it a little longer. And don't be afraid to add a little more water or milk if you want to. In this case, I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. Yes, I'm going to be adding another ½ cup of milk to this recipe because I realized it was sticking and I like my oatmeal to be soft and nice. Okay? So if you want to put it for extra 5 minutes, you can. Because I like my oatmeal to be really soft. Look at it. And tips for those who are using the kitchen. Remember, fire prevention is very important in your kitchen. So don't leave your food on the stovetop unattended. Especially when it's a fast cooking meal. Right? If you leave and you go and you answer the phone or you're on the computer, you can cause a fire in your kitchen. Okay? So we don't want that. So leave it again for a minute and I'll be back to show you the finished product. See you in a bit. So now that it has reached the consistency that I would like it to reach, because I like my oatmeal to look like this, I'm going to put a pinch of salt, like 1/8 teaspoon of salt. As I've said, this can be optional, okay? And you just keep stirring. Now that the meal is completed, display is very important. When you're presenting meals to anyone, you know, you have to, if they don't even feel like eating the food, just by the display of the food, they will actually eat the food. So I'm going to pour it in this bowl, and this can serve 2 people. To top it off, I'm going to put some strawberries. 2 strawberries. And a couple of blueberries. Isn't that a presentable looking meal? Really presentable looking. So this is the end product of my oatmeal. Served today with strawberries and blueberries. So see you again with another great video. This is Andrea saying, enjoy!